Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 28 September 2024. We'll dive into the latest happenings surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk's recent activity on X, formerly known as Twitter, has sparked significant concern. Over a 5-day period, Musk posted 171 times, with nearly a third of these posts being flagged as false or misleading. Among the controversial content, he shared a debunked rumor about a bomb threat near a Donald Trump rally and various conspiracy theories concerning illegal immigration and election fraud. This behavior has amplified fears that Musk might misuse his platform to spread misinformation, especially since adopting a more conservative political stance after acquiring X in 2022. His posts have reached over 800 million views, underscoring his substantial influence as the platform's most followed account. Despite requests for comment, Musk has remained silent on the issue. In a significant technical achievement, Elon Musk's XAI data center in Memphis, known as Colossus, has successfully brought online 100,000 advanced NVIDIA H100 chips simultaneously. This milestone positions the facility as the most powerful computer ever built, marking a notable accomplishment for the relatively new XAI company. However, industry experts have raised concerns about the feasibility of operating such a vast number of GPUs together, citing potential limitations in networking technology. The data center is intended to train an AI model for Grok, XAI's chatbot, which is marketed as an uncensored alternative to ChatGPT. To support its operations, XAI has connected natural gas turbines to supplement traditional power sources, addressing energy challenges that come with building powerful AI models. Elon Musk's platform X has recently blocked links to a dossier related to JD Vance, the Republican vice presidential nominee, which contains research from the Trump campaign. The platform also suspended journalist Ken Klippenstein for sharing the dossier, citing a violation of rules against posting unredacted personal information. Klippenstein defended his actions, arguing that the dossier is of public interest during an election season. Despite his claims, the version of the dossier on his website was later redacted to remove sensitive information. This incident has drawn comparisons to the platform's controversial handling of a New York Post article about Hunter Biden's laptop during the 2020 election. Critics have pointed out that X's actions seem contradictory to Musk's proclaimed commitment to free speech. Elon Musk has threatened to ban all Apple devices from his companies if OpenAI's technology is integrated at the operating system level. He expressed his concerns on X, stating that such integration would pose a significant security risk. Musk's comments come in response to Apple's recent announcement of its AI features, which include the integration of OpenAI's ChatGPT into its services, particularly Siri. He emphasized that visitors to his companies would have to check their Apple devices at the door, where they would be stored in a Faraday cage to prevent any data breaches. Musk's apprehensions stem from a belief that Apple lacks understanding of the implications of sharing user data with OpenAI. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Elon Musk's world both informative and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates. Stay curious